Alright, let's talk about money. We all use it, we all worry about it, and for decades, the way we handle it hasn't really changed. You get paid, it goes into a bank, you use a card, send some to family, and the bank takes a cut. It works, but it's old, like using a landline in a world of smartphones. Now imagine two superheroes. Blockchain, super strong and trustworthy, and AI, super smart and lightning fast. These aren't comic book characters, they're real technologies, and they're teaming up. Blockchain is changing how we trust things online. AI is changing how we make decisions. Together, they're starting a quiet revolution in finance. This isn't about jargon or far-off futures, it's happening right now. People are using these tools to build businesses, send money worldwide in minutes, and get loans without ever stepping into a bank. We'll break down what these technologies are with real examples. Think of this as your how-to guide for the future of your wallet. We'll see how they're making finance smarter, faster, and safer for everyone, not just the big shots. They're challenging the old, slow, expensive ways of big banks. This is about power shifting back to ordinary people. It's not a fantasy. It's today, November 15, 2025. Real people are already using these tools to change their lives. This is your front row seat to the financial revolution. Understand the change, and you can be part of it, not just a spectator. So, grab a seat and let's dive into the world of blockchain and AI. It's going to be a wild, surprisingly simple ride. Let's start with blockchain. The name sounds complicated, but the idea is simple. Imagine a magical notebook. Every time you write in it, all your friends get the same page instantly. No one can erase what's written, ever. If someone tries to change a page, everyone else's notebook shows the original. That's blockchain, a digital ledger shared across thousands of computers. Each entry is a block, linked to the previous one, a chain of blocks. To hack it, you'd have to change thousands of copies at once. Nearly impossible. Unlike banks, which keep private ledgers, blockchain is open and verified by the network. You don't trust a single company, you trust the system. This is decentralized trust. Power shifts from one authority to the network. Blockchain is a super secure shared record book that can't be secretly changed. It records who owns what, or who sent money to whom, in a transparent, trustworthy way. It's the foundation for a new financial world. The trustworthy friend in our tech superhero duo, always keeping perfect records. Now, meet our second superhero, artificial intelligence or AI. You see it everywhere, your phone, Netflix, voice assistants. AI is about making computers smart in a human-like way, learning, recognizing patterns, making predictions. Imagine teaching a dog to fetch the toy you want, based on your mood and habits. That's AI. The more data it sees, the smarter it gets. AI can analyze massive amounts of information in seconds. When your bank flags a suspicious charge, that's AI at work. It learns your spending habits and spots anything unusual. AI is the brains of our operation, the detective who finds the needle in the haystack. It personalizes services, automates decisions, and finds opportunities no human could spot alone. Blockchain keeps the records. AI reads and understands them. Together, they're unstoppable. The perfect analyst for our trustworthy record keeper. So, what happens when blockchain and AI team up? It's like having the world's most secure vault and the smartest security guard. Blockchain keeps perfect, unchangeable records. AI analyzes them for smarter, faster decisions. Need a loan? Your financial history is on the blockchain, controlled by you. An AI-powered app reviews your verified data and approves your loan in seconds. No bias, no waiting. The decision is fair based on your real financial behavior. Blockchain provides trusted data. AI makes intelligent decisions. It works both ways. AI can make blockchains faster and more secure. AI predicts threats, optimizes performance, and manages smart contracts. For example, an AI can monitor a shipment's arrival and trigger a payment automatically. Blockchain ensures the payment happens as agreed. AI provides the smart trigger. No paperwork, no delays, just a smart, fast, and fair process. This is the real start of the financial revolution, the ultimate digital partnership. Sending money abroad used to be a pain, forms, fees, and days of waiting. Your money hops between banks, each taking a cut. It's slow, expensive, and things can get lost. Blockchain and AI change all that. With blockchain, there are no middlemen. You send money, it's recorded on the shared ledger and verified worldwide in minutes. the recipient gets it almost instantly. No more 3-day journeys, think 3 minutes. It's also much cheaper. No banks taking a slice, just a tiny network fee. More of your money reaches your family. For people working abroad, that's life-changing. AI adds another layer. It monitors millions of transactions in real time. It learns what's normal and flags anything suspicious, instantly. AI can spot fraud or money laundering faster than any human. So you get speed, low cost, and 24/7 intelligent security. Fast, cheap, and incredibly safe. The best of both worlds. That's the future of money. Banks used to be big buildings on the high street. Now the new bank is an app on your phone, powered by blockchain and AI. This is DeFi, decentralized finance, finance without big banks in charge. DeFi apps can store your money, help you pay, and lend, all on the blockchain. Instead of a bank, you deposit digital money into a blockchain pool and earn interest. Loans are handled by smart contracts, no manager, just code. AI makes these apps smarter, acting as your personal financial advisor. It analyzes your habits and goals, suggesting the best ways to save or invest. It can even move your funds automatically to maximize returns. The old system was closed and controlled. The new one is open and accessible to anyone online. No permission needed, just code, blockchain records, and AI intelligence. Banks won't disappear overnight, but they're facing their biggest competition ever. Adapt or become a relic. The future of banking is digital, open, and smart, and it's already here. This isn't just theory. Real people are living this change. Maria, a freelance designer in Argentina, used to lose 10% of her pay to fees and bad exchange rates. Now, clients pay her in stablecoins on the blockchain. She gets her money in minutes, with almost no fees. She can hold digital dollars to protect against inflation, or convert what she needs locally. For Maria, blockchain means financial stability. Ben, a small business owner in Kenya, needed a loan. Instead of weeks of paperwork, he used a DeFi platform. AI assessed his collateral and risk in minutes. A smart contract approved the loan instantly. He got his materials, filled his order, and paid back the loan. These stories show the real impact, empowerment, access, and a level playing field. Blockchain and AI are breaking barriers and creating a more inclusive financial world. Is this just hype? Not when you see the problems it solves. This isn't a small upgrade, it's a complete redesign of finance. For centuries we trusted banks, governments, and lawyers. Blockchain replaces that with trust in code and math. The network, not a single entity, holds the power. AI changes decision-making. No more human bias, just pure data. AI processes more information than any human ever could. Combine perfect blockchain data with AI's analysis, and you get a system that's efficient, fair, and intelligent. This isn't just a new product, it's a new infrastructure for the global economy. The internet changed how we share information. Blockchain and AI change how we exchange value. This revolution won't just change banking, it'll change how we work, invest, own, and vote. It's a deep structural shift, and we're only at the beginning. The biggest shakeup in finance is happening now. So, what does this mean for your future? Fast forward to 2035, your bank account is a digital wallet on your phone. It holds digital money, shares, even art or property tokens. Buying coffee? Tap your phone. Instant nearly free payment. Your salary streams in by the second, managed by your AI advisor. Need a loan? Grant access to your blockchain history. AI approves you in minutes. The house deed is a digital token, transferred instantly. Sending money abroad is as easy as texting. This isn't science fiction, it's being built today. Blockchain and AI are making finance more democratic, efficient, and personal. The wallet of the future is your intelligent gateway to the global economy.